Ever felt like your brain is about to explode trying to remember every single thing you need to do on a service call? You're not alone. Picture this. You're knee-deep in a job, and suddenly your mind goes blank. Did you check the water pressure? What about the filter? And don't even get me started on the paperwork. Well, if you're using Housecall Pro, there's a secret weapon to save your sanity: checklists. But how do you actually add one? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's dive in. First things first, why checklists? They're like your personal assistant, making sure you don't miss a beat. They boost efficiency, reduce errors, and even improve customer satisfaction. Who wouldn't want that? Now, let's get down to business. How do you create this magical checklist? It's easier than you think. Head over to your Housecall Pro dashboard, find the My App section, and there it is, checklists. Click on it, and you're in the checklist creation wonderland. Give your checklist a name, something simple and descriptive, like HVAC maintenance checklist. Next, start adding items. You can choose between checkboxes, text boxes for notes, or even a pass/fail option for those critical checks. But wait, there's more. You can make your checklist even smarter. You can set it up to automatically appear on new jobs, or even make it mandatory for completion before marking a job as finished. Talk about peace of mind. Once your checklist is ready, it's time to shine. Add it to your jobs and watch the magic happen. Your team will thank you, your customers will be impressed, and you'll finally have time to breathe. But wait, there's one more thing. Checklists aren't set in stone. They're living documents. Review them regularly, add, remove, or modify items as needed. Your checklist should evolve with your business. So there you have it. Checklists are your secret weapon to a more organized, efficient, and less stressful service business. It's time to harness their power. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.